Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Acorns Later, full guide step by step clearly. To get started, open the Acorns app on your device. If you haven't already downloaded the app, you can find it in the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is open, tap on Get Started to begin the registration process. Select the option to create a new account. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to use a valid email that you have access to. Next, create a strong password for your account. After entering your password, tap Continue. You will then need to input your personal information. This includes your full name, date of birth, and address. Ensure all details are accurate to prevent any registration issues. Next, you will be asked about your employment status. Choose the option that best reflects your current situation. Then, provide your income range as requested. This information helps Acorns tailor your investment plan. Next, you will need to verify your identity. Prepare to provide your social security number and some identification details. This step is crucial for security and compliance reasons. Once your identity is verified, you'll set up your investment preferences. Select the type of investment account you want to create. You can choose from options like a general investment account or an IRA. After that, review the account types and their associated benefits. Once you've made your selection, confirm your choice. Now, you will enter your payment information. This includes linking a bank account or providing your debit card details. Ensure that the bank account you link is one that you regularly use. After entering your payment details, review everything you've provided. Make any necessary corrections before proceeding. Once you're satisfied, tap Submit. You will then receive a confirmation email detailing your registration. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.